Today in biology, we're looking at a test called the test for reducing sugars. Of course. So the solution used to test this is called the Benedict solution. That's one you use for testing this. So when you enter in the lab, in the exam, they're practical. So you enter in the lab, they may give you 3 test tubes, for example. And then they fill them with different substances. In here they can put water, in here they can put glucose, in here they can put sugar, for example. So if, for example, in the first test tube, they put for you water. Okay, in the first test tube, they put for you what? Water. The second test tube, they put glucose. In the last test tube, they can put for you sugar. So there is water, glucose, and sugar. And then you want to know if in water there's reducing sugar, or in glucose there's reducing sugar, or in sugars itself there's reducing sugar. You want to check what substance is present in there. What you're going to do is you take the Benedict solution. The Benedict solution, you put maybe 20 drops of Benedict solution in this test tube. Even here, maybe you can put 20 drops. In there also, you put 20 drops, and then you shake these test tubes. So you are shaking test tube 1, test tube 2, test tube 3. After you shake them, you take the test tubes, you find a Bunsen burner, a tripod stand, and then find a Bunsen burner here with heat like this. So you find a Bunsen burner burning with fire like this, and then on top of the Bunsen burner there is a beaker filled with water. In here you find there is water in there which is burning. You take the 3 test tubes, you put them in this Bunsen burner, you let them burn with water, and then look at what will happen to the color change when it's dipped in water. Boil them at least for 3 minutes. Okay, check the color change. Now if after 3 minutes, when you look into the test tubes, you find that they'll be changing color. So if any of the test tubes has got reducing sugar, what will happen to it? So there will be changes that will take place. Okay, so if the test tubes are like this, and then any of these 3 test tubes, if any of these test tubes have got reducing sugar, then the color change that you're going to see, if reducing sugar is present, you see color changes like red, or you see color changes like green, or you see color changes like yellow. So if reducing sugar is present in any of these, meaning you see color changes like red, green, or yellow, any other color that you see, if it doesn't change, meaning there's no reducing sugar. So look at the test tube, look at what will happen to the test tubes after boiling them. Check what the color change in the solution. If you see it's red, then you know reducing sugar is present. If you see it changes to green, then you know reducing sugar is present. If you see it changes to yellow, meaning reducing sugar is present. That's how you do with this. Master these colors: red, green, and yellow. Show the indication of reducing sugar. Thank you.